Hey guys, my name is Michael Dario, and I am from Telenor. And like and subscribe and click that bell in this video. We're gonna play in the snow for you and teach you how to play in the snow safely. The blizzard was pretty bad. The blizzard covered our house to here all the way to there. We're like, we saw the blizzard last night. It was epic. We saw our window was all covered, and there's our mom's. I think our window's like over here. It might be farther than I expected. And last night I woke up and saw the window and it was covered with snowdrops. And then it was morning. We were excited to get it. The first thing is snowball.
Snowball.
Bonnie, guys, you saw that when I flipped? Guys, look at this. Guys, you could get a medium snowball or a little snowball. I have a snowball. And then you don't have to push me. Get another one. You don't have to push me. The next way for a blizzard to do snow angels. If you want to do a huge snow angel and you have to do it close to the other person, you can do it like this. You can move the other way. Guys, look at mine. And then, next. Remember, last time we saw a little cat, and then we keep it, and then we saw the owner, and somebody helped us out. We feed it Katrina's cat food, and it was epic. We actually pet it. Guys, what's this?
Oh my God.
Guys, you ready to learn how to do a hole? Like a little tunnel? Like this. You find safe. Here's their home.
Put your mask.
Wait, guys, do you want to learn how to walk in snow? Let's do it. How do you walk in snow? We're gonna go in the snow area because yesterday.
can't hear you.
Falling, falling from the sky. Snowflake, 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 falling from the sky.